everyone. Welcome back in my channel Mostly HR. Proceeding further about performance appraisal, we will discuss in this video about performance appraisal methods. I request you all to watch my previous video that is about the resumption of job after COVID-19 lockdown, which is very essential to watch, which can give you an idea and the guidelines to resume your jobs after COVID-19 lockdown. Thank you so much. Dear all, welcome back to your work after COVID-19 lockdown. As you all know that before lockdown we were about to start the performance appraisal process in our organization. So now we are going to start it. I am going to elaborate the performance appraisal methods to be applied on. Choose one or select all as per your requirement and as per your department need, and let me know. Mainly these modern performance appraisal methods. First is management by objective, that is MBO. Another one is 360-degree feedback, then assessment center method, then BARS, that is behaviorally anchored rating scales. Another one is psychological appraisals, and the last one is human resource accounting method.
Madam, can you please elaborate them all precisely?
Oh, why not? Let's continue with details. As we can see through this chart, management by objectives or MBO is the appraisal method where managers and employees sit together to set an objective or goal to check the performance within a specific time. It can be quarterly, half-yearly or annually. Performances and progress is being monitored continuously, and at the end of decided period of time, the performance has been evaluated. The results has been analyzed. After that, feedback has been given to the candidate according to the performance, and performance appraisal has been done as per set criteria. This method is ideal for measuring quantitative and qualitative output of senior managers, directors, and executives. Another performance appraisal method is 360-degree feedback. This is the mostly used method and the most favorite method in any organization, as it gives a clear understanding of any individual's competency. 360-degree is also having 5 components, that is self-appraisal, managerial review, peer review, subordinates appraising manager, which is we call it SAM also, and customer or client review. The next performance appraisal method is assessment center method. Though this method is time and cost consuming, but it enables employees to get a clear picture of how others observe them and the impact of his or her performance on them. During the whole assessment, the employees are asked to get involved in various activities like informal discussions, fact-finding exercises, decision-making problems, role play, etc. And after evaluating all activities, his performance and attitude for current and future role is evaluated. This kind of assessment are ideal for manufacturing companies, service-based organization, educational institutions, and consulting firms. Next performance appraisal method is BARS, behaviorally anchored rating scale. BARS or behaviorally anchored scales is both qualitative and quantitative beneficial in performance appraisal. It is a measuring system which rates employees or trainees according to their performance and specific behavioral patterns. The first step is to write CIT, that is critical incident techniques, which compares an individual's performance against specific examples of behavior that are tied to numerical ratings 5 to 9. Now, what are the benefits of this? This method is reliable as the appraisals remain the same even when different raters rate them, have clear standards upon which an employee is appraised, and these are very accurate in the appraisal method and therefore increase reliability, and it gives an objective feedback. Let's understand this bars method with an example. There is a table given to understand the employee's responsibility during any task. So the scale is between rating between 1 to 7. 6 and 7 is exceeding the acceptable level of performance. 3, 4, 5 meets the acceptable level of performance. 1 and 2, the candidate is failing to meet the acceptable level of performance. So, in the same manner, the evaluation has been done of any employee through this bars method. The next performance appraisal method is psychological appraisals. This appraisal method come in handy to determine the hidden potential of employees. These appraisals are used to analyze some major components of an employee's performance, such as interpersonal skills, cognitive abilities, intellectual traits, leadership skills, personality traits, emotional quotient, and other related skills. So many tests are conducted to assess an employee effectively. However, it is a complex and slow process, but it gives a deep insight about candidate's caliber and his performance for future. So many large enterprises generally use this method for the reason including development of leadership pipeline, team building, conflict resolution, and more. Do you know the big organization like Ford Motors, Procter and Gamble use psychological appraisals to test the personality and performance of their employees? Next appraisal method is human resource or cost accounting method. This method analyzes the candidate's performance through the monetary benefits he or she yields to company. When an employee's performance is evaluated based on cost accounting methods, factors like unit-wise average service value, quality, overhead cost, interpersonal relationships, and more are taken into account. This method is ideal for startups and small business where the performance of only one employee can make or break the organization's success. So, team members, we have discussed all the possible modern performance appraisal methods.
Yes, and they all are very effective to apply on. But we are confused now that which method we should use for good results in our organization.
Okay, so now the mostly HR teammates, now it's all depends on you. You have understood all the performance appraisal methods. Now it's all up to on you that which appraisal method you will select for your organization and department and which will you apply on it. I will wait for your comments and suggestions on this video. Please do comment. Please let me know which method you have applied or you are planning to apply for the performance appraisal. Please like, share, and subscribe this video. Subscribe my channel, share this video, and please watch my previous video also, that is a resumption on duties after COVID-19 lockdown. Thanks a lot.